In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays Bank account online. Whether you're looking for a new everyday account, a student account, or perhaps a business account, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can get everything set up smoothly. First, we need to head over to the Barclays website, open your browser, and visit www.barclays.co.uk/current accounts. This is the official Barclays page where you'll find detailed information about the different types of bank accounts they offer. Once you're there, spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout of the site. Next, you'll want to choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Barclays offers several options, including the Everyday Current account, a student account, a Premier account, and even a business account. Take some time to read through the descriptions available on the site to ensure you choose the right one. Once you've decided, find and click the Apply Now button for that specific account. After selecting your account type, you'll be directed to an online form. This is where you'll need to provide some personal information to proceed with your application. You'll be asked to enter your full name and date of birth, so make sure you have that handy. You'll also need to supply your UK address and contact information. If you have a national insurance number, be prepared to provide that as well. Filling these details accurately is crucial as it helps in verifying your eligibility and for future communications. Once you've filled out the form, the next step is to verify your identity. Barclays may request you to upload a photo ID such as a passport or driving license, so it's a good idea to have digital copies of these documents ready. Additionally, you'll need to prove your address. This can be done by providing a recent utility bill or bank statement. In some cases, Barclays might also ask you to upload a short video selfie to confirm your identity. This extra step enhances security and helps in fraud prevention. Finally, it's time to submit your application. Before you do, take a few moments to review all the details you've entered to ensure they are correct and up to date. When you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and click the Submit button. Barclays will then process your application. Some applications are approved instantly, while others might take a few days depending on the verification process. And there you have it! You've now successfully applied for a Barclays Bank account online. If your application takes a bit longer, try not to worry, as the verification processes are there to protect your interests. We hope this guide has been helpful, and congratulations on taking an important step toward managing your finances better with Barclays.